Are you looking for the best metal detectors? In this video, we will look at some of the 5 best metal detectors on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Bounty Hunter TK4 Tracker 4 Metal Detector. The Bounty Hunter Metal Detector earned the top spot on our list for its intuitiveness, lightweight design, and its ability to detect all of our test items. Our testers appreciated the fact that it's one of the most affordable options on our list. Better yet, this model is used by the pros. I currently own 22 metal detectors ranging from budget-friendly to high-end models, including 5 Bounty Hunters. 2 are 4 trackers, says Joanna Janilaznica, metal detectorist and founder of Focus Speed. The 4 tracker in particular is an excellent analog detector. I know several fellow detectorists who, despite having the means to purchase more expensive models, choose to stick with the 4 tracker because of how well it does in relic detecting and old coin detecting. Though it doesn't have all the bells and whistles that pricier metal detectors have, it has 3 modes to help you sort trash from treasure. It also features automatic ground balance, which neutralizes a detector's response to mineral content in the ground. That said, it does not have any land-type settings, a feature you'll find on some of the other, higher-end models on our list. Number 2. Sumpow Metal Detector. If you're looking for the best metal detector and are on a budget, the Sumpow Metal Detector is our top pick. That's because it's easy to use, comfortable to hold, and comes with a selection of handy accessories. It even comes with 2 9V batteries. Some of the pricey models on this list really skimp on accessories. For not much more money than the kiddie models, this metal detector comes with headphones, a metal shovel, and a sling-style carrying case, says Higley. Upon receiving this metal detector, our team found that it was rather easy to assemble. They especially liked that they were able to adjust the length of the shaft as well as the length of the armrest portion to ensure their comfort. Once our testers had adjusted it to their liking, it was time to see what this metal detector could do. The Sunpow metal detector has a 10-inch waterproof search coil and 5 search settings, all metal, disc, i.e. discrimination, memory, jewelry, and pinpoint. During testing, our team used the all-metal and jewelry modes. Using these modes, our team was able to locate all of our test objects. They did find, however, that this metal detector wasn't able to detect gold more than a couple inches away, unless it was higher quality, like 14-karat gold. In fact, with jewelry mode turned on, it was able to detect a 14-karat gold ring, but not a pair of 10-karat gold earrings. Number 3. National Geographic Starter Metal Detector. Looking for the best metal detector for your budding detectorist? The National Geographic Starter Kit is it. Designed for kids ages 3 through 12, this metal detector is lightweight and comfortable to carry, simple to use, and can even detect gold. Although there are plenty of metal detectors for kids on the market, this model's ability to detect gold, though admittedly not very well, was its edge over the competition. Plus, the interactive user manual is enrichment that any curious kiddo would enjoy, says product tester Anna Marie Higley. During testing, our team found that this metal detector picked up all of our test items. It excelled at detecting aluminum, and it was able to detect copper from 5 inches away. Even though the online listing says these coils can only detect within 4 inches. To keep the fun going, this metal detector includes a super engaging, fun manual. According to Higley, it has easy-to-follow instructions with helpful illustrations, as well as detecting techniques, a troubleshooting guide, the metal detecting code of ethics, a history lesson about the hobby, an explanation of how metal detectors work, and a short journal for logging found items. Number 4. Garrett Ace250. Branko Barisic, a Croatian detectorist who posts his finds on Instagram as Metal Detecting Croatia, started his detecting career with a Garrett Ace250, which he says is lightweight and simple to use. For the money, it's great because it has notch discrimination, a function that allows you to choose which types of metals to target, plus 5 search modes and a host of other features, he says. This model has a search coil, the flat, round part at the bottom of the detector that does the searching, that is waterproof to a depth of 9 inches, which, according to Connecticut-based detectorist Jesse Thompson, who has been passionate about metal detecting since he was 14 years old, makes it great for practicing in lots of scenarios. If your budget doesn't accommodate the 250, the Garrett Ace200 has many of the same features for a slightly lower price. Number 5. Nocta Mini Horde Waterproof Kids Metal Detector. If you got a kid who is 8 years old or younger and dying to start digging for treasure, Martin recommends this easy-to-use waterproof metal detector. I have a 7-year-old myself and bought him a Nocta Macro Mini Horde, which is very lightweight, short, and has a display that shows a thumbs-up smiley face or a thumbs-down frown face to indicate if the metal is worth digging up, he says. Because the detector is waterproof up to 3 feet, kids can get used to digging in loose sand on the beach before moving on to more difficult terrain. It also has a retractable wand that makes it easy to pack for traveling. Plus, it comes with a sand sifter, a sand scoop, 2 sets of stickers, and a 2-year warranty.